Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a box opening, a special one today. I have my Pastry Shop box of treats, box number 13, but I've also got their special edition Halloween box. So I've got two to open, so let's get these open and see what's inside. So here's box number 13, or box of treats number 13. Let's get that open and see what's inside here. Okay, they always come wrapped with tissue paper and a sticker. And then there's a paper on top that talks about what's inside the box. So it says, treat box number 13 is an ode to the end of summer days. April Rosenthal's berry, red, and blue prints from her berry basket collection are in the heart of this box. The florals and berries bring to mind picnic days, fruit cobblers, and summer gardening. Your box includes 2 charm packs and additional fabrics needed to complete the quilt top. I used the Whispers Mates white on white dot print for the background because I wanted a clean, crisp white, and the dots reminded me of blueberries. For a picnic theme, I included a hummingbird needle threader and cutter. Magnetic pin grabber matches the colors of this quilt perfectly. I've also included a set of Lori Holt's muffin liners and a famous blueberry muffin recipe. Yum! To complete the berry theme, the mini charm is Fig Tree's Fruit Cocktail. The spool of blue silk finish thread might be a good match for your binding. For a sweet berry treat, I've included the popular strawberry treats with a soft center. I hope your summer was great with the unprecedented heat this summer. I think this year most are looking forward to cooler weather that fall brings. Happy sewing, Cherie. So Cherie is the owner of Pastry Shop Quilts who puts together these boxes. So that was a nice little message from her. Oh, really cute quilt. It's called Berry Basket, and it finishes 64 by 64. And it looks like you need 2 charm packs and some of the various yardage, and then binding 4 yards of backing. Oh, I really like this quilt. I definitely want to do this one for sure. And there's our blueberry recipe, blueberry muffin recipe, I should say. I've already got a really great blueberry muffin recipe, but I was willing to try that one. And here's the cute little cupcake wrappers, which is nice to go with that. And they do match the fabric perfectly. Okay, so let's see. This is, I already have one of these, magnetic pin grabber. So I will gift this to somebody. So I'm going to keep this in the package. But basically this part of the wand right here, you hold that and you can, if you spill any pins or anything like that, you can go across them and it'll pick them right up. So that's nice to have, a really nice thing to have. So I'm excited to share that. And here's that hummingbird needle threader that she mentioned in her intro letter. Again, I have a couple of these, so I'm going to share this with somebody because I don't need that many, but it's a nice thing to have, especially if you don't have an automatic needle threader on your machine, or if you do hand sewing, it's great too. So here's the strawberry candies, and my kids are going to love those. I'm glad she put 2 because then they won't fight over them. And then here's the silk finished thread. It's got some pre-cut dust over it, but that's all right. It'll come off. This is color number 0957, and this is a Metler thread. Metler thread is really nice and very, very pretty. And then we have the mini charm that she talked about, Fruit Cocktail. I love fig tree fabric, so I'm happy to have this. Really pretty. And these are all my colors, so I'm really excited about this. And then this is Berry Basket from April Rosenthal. This came out a few months ago, and this box has been out for a little bit. For some reason, I think it got lost in the mail and she had to resend it to me. And so that's why it's like coming out so late. But no big deal. Not, no worries at all. I'm not upset about it. And so it's not a big deal. But that, you may have already seen this. But really, really cute fabric. Those blueberries on that fabric are adorable. Look at that. Blueberries and strawberries. This is so cute. This is going to make a great quilt. And there you get 2 charm packs. And then there's a bunch of fabric in here. So that aqua, which, oh, so pretty. This solid navy kind of blue. The solid aqua. That looks like it, but awesome. All right, so that is the treat box number 13. That's the regular subscription box. I love Cherie's subscription boxes. She does such a great job with them. Always puts great things in them. Good notions, and most of all, I love her patterns. That is the cutest, and she writes all of her own patterns, which I really like. So you get an original pattern plus all this great fabric. So I'm going to put that one aside. And if you're interested in getting this box, I will put a link down below for you. You can head right over there. Now, let's get the Halloween box open. Now, this one wasn't part of the subscription. This was a special edition one, so you had to pop onto her website to grab this one. It's just kind of like Fat Quarter Shop and all those other places do the special edition ones. This is a special Halloween one. So, special Halloween 2023 treat box, Spellbound Halloween. So, here is the surprise Halloween 2023 treat box. Spellbound Halloween, featuring Sweetfire Road Spellbound Orange and Black Halloween collection. Oh, I love that collection. Oh, I can't wait to see what this is in here. Cute little Halloween cats popping out of the fall spiced pumpkins with harvest stars all around. Bring the scent of fall to your door. To complete your quilt top, 2 charm packs and additional prints for piecing are in your box. For the background fabric, I used Corey Yoder's Coriander Seeds white on white orange peel print. Ooh, I've got some of that. Yay! I've included 2 background kits, one with Corey's orange peel and another with Basic Gray's white cast star print. This Halloween theme box includes a sparkly large quilt binding spool to keep your quilt binding wrapped and ready to go for easy, no tangled storage. There's also a pumpkin floss holder for embroidery floss and floss rings. Black embroidery floss is also included for stitching those cute kitty whiskers. As fall is here, a package of fall pumpkin tissues is included. For added fun, a pair of sparkly pumpkin earrings to spice up your fall outfits. For a tasty Halloween treat, I've included a classic soft caramel chew. Your mini charm for another quilt project is Fig Tree's Harvest Moon collection. The collection features traditional fig tree prints in orange, black, and beige colors. Happy sewing and happy Halloween, Cherie. Okay. So this is the Halloween box, and right off the bat, I see this really, really cute Halloween kitty cat quilt. And the thing I really like about this quilt is that it could be Halloween, but it could just be fall, because it's not spooky, which I don't like spooky stuff, so I'm really excited that it's not spooky. There's just really cute cats popping out of pumpkins, and it's not skulls or skeletons or anything like that. That's the kind of stuff I don't like. So I'm really excited that she did it like this. And the quilt finishes at 63 by 71, so a nice size quilt. Kind of a large throw, not quite a twin. So that'll be a nice size. And here's that Harvest Moon mini charm. And Fig Tree has done several fall sort of collections, and they all pretty much work together. So if you've got any of their other stuff in your collection, this will go with it as well. That's one thing I do like about Fig Trees. And I didn't have any of that, so I'm really excited to have that. Here is the black embroidery floss for the kitty cat whiskers. And, oh, this is the floss holder. That's cute. And that pack of tissues, which are definitely needed this time of year with all the fall allergies. And then the quilt binding spool. Let me take this out. I actually got one of these in another box that I opened, and I had one already before it came in either box. These are great. I actually really, really love this product. So when I saw it in the other box, and now that I see it here, I'm really excited to have another one of these, because I always have several projects going at once, and I like to make the binding ahead of time. Either when I usually cut all the strips when I cut out a quilt, and usually when the quilt's on the long arm, I'll start making the binding, and I like to wind them around these. So what you do is you stick your binding through these little slots to hold it, and then you wind it all around, and then I just stick a pin in the top to hold it in place. And then once you go to bind, just take the pin out and start binding and leave it on the spool and just unwind so you don't get a big mess on the floor. So this is the second one I've gotten in a box now, but I already had one, so now I have 3. So I'm okay with that, and I'm definitely keeping this because I love it. So I'm excited to have that one. All right, so the next thing is the little Halloween pumpkin earrings, and those are real cute. Like I said, I'm not a huge scary fan. Again, not scary, they're just pumpkins. So I really love those. Those are cute. Let's see what else. And then we have the Spellbound fabric by Sweetfire Road, and I love this fabric. It's so cute. I saw this at Quilt Market last year. They were advertising this fabric there, Moda, and I really liked it. Oh, look at those happy pumpkins. See, that's the kind of Halloween I like. I like happy stuff. So I'm excited to have this. So thank you, Cherie at Pastry Shop Quilts. I do get these boxes for review, but the opinion that I'm sharing with you is my own. And then she did include some cuts from the line to go with that quilt. Oh, pretty. Look at those stars. Those are just so cute. But thank you at Cherie at Pastry Shop Quilts. I really, really appreciate you sending me not only the regular box, but this special edition one to share with you guys. So if you are interested in either of these, head on over to Pastry Shop Quilts. I've got the links down in the description box below this video. This is a great box. There's not too many Halloween special edition boxes that I like, and I really, really like this box. This is great. Oh, those are so cute. I can't wait to use those. And then it was the spool holder and the pattern. All right. Well, 2 great boxes. That was a great Happy Mail day. So thanks again, Pastry Shop Quilts, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Go check her out. She's got some wonderful boxes, writes all her own patterns, which I love, love, love. Plus, she's got some block of the months going on. Right now, I'm doing the Christmas stitch block of the month with her, and also the Stitch Pink Sew Along, which I just got back from being out of town, so I'm going to get back to that, and we're going to get going on that quilt again. So I hope you'll join me, and I will see you really soon. Bye!